The Oclean X Pro Elite is a high-tech electric toothbrush that offers an insight into how well you are cleaning your teeth. The sleek design and app-driven performance allow you to monitor your brushing, and 4 modes help you to prioritize different dental care goals. Before we show its features, please subscribe to our channel and hit bell notification icon for more product reviews. Let's open this box and see what you will get. 1 toothbrush and brush head. 1 user manual. 1 charging stand with silicone cover. 1 magnetic wall mounts. Oclean also providing beautiful traveling case to carry your brush. Slim and sleek with great battery life, the Oclean X Pro Elite is a terrific sonic toothbrush at a very reasonable price. The 16 cm toothbrush is limestone gray with a non-gloss surface for extra grip. With a diameter of 2 cm, it's smaller and slimmer than rival brushes and fits nicely into the hand. It has IPX7 waterproof, resistant to washing and soaking in water. Oclean provided magnetic wall mount that is good idea because it keeps the toothbrush off your wet sink or bathroom surface, and you can place the toothbrush just where you need it, at a height that's convenient. On the front of the handle in the upper half is the touchscreen display and function button. Press power button to wake it up. Swiping the touchscreen down launches the menu, which displays 4 brushing modes: clean, sensitive, massage and white. From 1 to 32. You can adjust brush timing from duration. You can see brush model information. The display will offer you a brushing score and show your total brushing time. This score is based on how well you have brushed all the teeth in the mouth. You see, built into the brush handle is a 6-axis gyroscope. This is active and tracking as you use the toothbrush. At the end of a clean, this feeds data into the system Oclean called Blind Zone Reminder. On the touchscreen you will see a graphic of a set of teeth. This frames the score and brushing time. It is designed to highlight those tooth surfaces you have and have not brushed. Those surfaces that are white in color have been brushed well. Those that are blue in color have been missed or not brushed very well. The blue areas are the blind spots. Many of us have incorrect brushing habits. We may not realize this, and we might not be brushing some teeth as well as others. Over time, this can potentially cause oral health issues. The idea here is that by alerting you to the areas of the mouth you have not brushed well, you can go back and correct this. To ensure the deepest clean possible, the X Pro Elite's motor spins at the speed of sound, delivering a maximum of 84,000 movements per minute. Using new Whisper Clean technology, it also emits just 45 dB when operating at full power and actively analyzes your brushing in real time using an ingenious AI algorithm and a neat 0.96-inch touchscreen display. There are 4 customizable brushing modes, each with different levels of adjustable intensity to help avoid any discomfort. Oclean has also a built-in pressure sensor. If the brush detects too much force is being applied, it will slow and stop the bristles on the brush head moving. This reduces the chance of unwanted damage to the teeth and gums taking place. The brush handle holds an 800 mAh lithium-ion rechargeable battery, which charges in about 3.5 hours and provides you 35 days if you use it 2 minutes on daily basis. The brush has app pairing capabilities, which allow you to monitor your brushing scores. Each time you use it, the brush rates your session, and also see how soon you might need to change the brush head. The app also allows you to check in on family members, which makes it easier for parents to monitor kids' brushing times and notice if there are any areas of their mouth that might need extra attention. The app can be overwhelming, with many options and tabs, but once you get the hang of it, it gives you a depth of analysis that can elevate your brushing. With a battery life of up to 35 days, DuPont Diamond brush filaments with dentist-grade cleaning power, and QI Quick Charge technology that enables a full charge in just 3.5 hours, The X Pro Elite's stylish yet elegant design is more than just for show. Product purchase link is mentioned in description. Please also subscribe to this channel and hit bell notification icon for more product review videos.